Welcome everyone to this video where we'll learn how to change your LinkedIn headline directly from your phone. Your headline appears just below your name and plays a big role in how others see you on LinkedIn. Let's begin the steps. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Next, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Account Preferences. After that, choose the option called Name, Location, Industry. Once inside, scroll down until you find the Headline field. In that field, enter your new headline, for example, something that reflects your expertise, job role, or unique value. When you finish typing, click on the Save button to confirm your changes. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.